Not sure how to do your laundry? No worries. Each resident hall has its own laundry room, but you're not limited to just your building. When starting the washer, it's important to know what each setting means on the machine. The wash setting has regular, deluxe, and ultra, and this relates to the amount of stain and/or dirt on the clothing. The cycle offers normal, synthetic, or delicate, depending on how you want the spin cycle to run. Temperature offers cold, warm, or hot, but we recommend washing on cold as it is not only faster, but better for the environment. Still don't know what setting to use? Your clothes should have a tag with washing and drying instructions. Pause here to read what each symbol means. If you're using Tide Pods, just toss them directly into the machine. However, if you're using liquid detergent, you're going to want to enter it in the bottom right dispenser. Note that our washing machines do not take powder detergent. Also, did we mention that our laundry is free? Don't forget to set a timer for your laundry. This ensures you don't accidentally forget your load. Once your timer is up, you're going to want to transfer your clothes from the washer directly to the dryer. Make sure you grab all of your belongings. Your socks may go missing if you don't triple check. And don't forget your dryer sheets. The settings on the dryer are pretty simple. You have high temp, low temp, no heat, medium temp, or delicate. You can refer back to the infographic before to see what is best for your clothes. Once your clothes finish drying, don't forget to remove all of the lint and dispose of it into the trash can. Make sure to grab all of your belongings, you don't want to leave anything behind. And that's pretty much it. Just remember to be mindful of the amount of time and machines you're taking up, and please don't remove anyone's items without their permission. If you notice a problem with the machine, such as running water or a broken door, please report it by scanning the instructions on the respective machine to submit a service request.